Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to discuss a very important concept in agentic AI workflow. If you are building AI agents and if you are going to build a agentic AI workflow end to end, so this video is for you. Because in this video we are going to discuss agent a skill. Okay, what is agent skill and how it is important in your agentic AI workflow. This is very need to know. So what is agent skill? Agent skill is nothing but a prompts or instruction that you given it to LLM to make the agents to follow the your agents this instruction every time. Okay, because agents skill are reusable modular packages of specialized knowledge and step-by-step instruction that teach an AI agent how to perform a specific task reliably and consistently. Because you tell to the LLM every time to follow the instruction or rules to give the output. Okay, because when you making agent, so agent do the same thing again and again, just different topic or different subject. Okay, but they follow the same instruction. So if you specify the instruction before, um, to not every time in the prompt that you are giving prompt to the agent and you have to write it the same thing again and again. If you do not want to do and you need a consistent output from the agent, so you specifically have to add agentic skill, okay, to your agentic AI workflow. Because, and first of all, we have to know that why do you need AI agent skill? Large language models, the we can call the brain of AI, are great at general knowledge. We know that they have a more general knowledge, but often inconsistent or repeated or domain specific tasks. Okay, if you need a domain specific tasks, they hallucinate. Okay, and they forget your preferred style. Like you need a preferred style every time. Like you need a output in every time. It's the same style. But if you don't specify every time in your prompt, they maybe forgot, or if you although you specify, they given you to the different output, and many things can happen. You didn't get the same result every time. But if you specify the agentic skill under your agentic workflow, so that you can get the same output from the LLM every time. Okay, so that's why we need to um, added agentic skill in agentic workflow. So how AI and skill work? Okay, first you have to know that how AI and skill works. A skill lives in own folder. Okay, a skill is live in own folder. The main file is usually called skill.md, or it starts with a YAML formatter. Okay, it can be ML file. Okay, I can show you the one example if you have a more understanding on that. If you show it like this is the one project I am building. It's not a good project. I simply just tie it out using QI. Okay, what I'm making a report generator. Okay, and we also summarize the report. Like I give a prompt to the topic to the LLM, agentic workflow agent, and they can generate a report on the topic, and also they summarize the topic. Okay, so for that I use QUI. Okay, QUI, and this is the, you can also say the agent skill. Okay, I describe the role of the agents, goal of the agents, and backstory. So expert report generator related to topic, this topic. Okay, generate a detailed report on topic based on the latest research and development in the field. Okay, I just specify this before every time. So every time follow this rule when I given it to the different topic. Okay, also you specify the backstory. You are a dedicated researcher with your passion and uncovering latest insight. You also tell the backstory to the LM. Okay, this is the report summarizer. You expert report summarizer. The same thing I uh, you have to mention for every agent. Okay, this is the one agent. This is the one agent. There are the two agent. Okay, report summarizer one agent, report generator one agent. Okay, and this is the, you can say, agent skill. Okay, also task YAML. This is also agent skill because you specify the tasks. What you have to do the agent. Okay, LM. You can specify this in detail. If you specify this in detail, so your output is much more clear and accurate and formatted. Okay, if you mention these tasks very clean and Okay, like write a detailed report on the topic based on the research and development in the field, focus on providing conclusive insight and analysis that can perform decision making, guide future research, many things. Okay, as I specified, this is called, you can say, agent skill. Okay, like agentics ML and task ML. Oh, these are the two file. Okay, I specifically made this using QI. This is a QI. Okay, these are tasks. You specify this. Okay, under config file. Okay, and this every time the agents or LLM follow these tasks. Okay, follow this goal. Okay, to before giving out or making any uh, report summary generator. Okay, so this is actually, you can say, example of the agent skill. Okay, and this is how actually written over here like this. It start with YAML formatter, name, short name of the skill. You can say also SQL. It's have different um, tool, different method. Okay, like here is the under config file. You have to specify that tasks or agents. This is called agent skill, or in the other tool you can also see this, the is we have to make a skill.md file. Okay, okay, and description when on why you to use, and it they help the agent decide relevance. Okay, okay, and this then comes the body detail markdown instruction step example or rules or templates like this. Okay, here I mention. Okay, but in every tools like QI you have to specify that way, but in other tool you don't need to specify in the same way. Okay, you have to, there's another rule you can follow to specify the tasks and agents. Okay, and then original extract in the folder like script executable for code and extra docs or example you can add this. Okay, so this is actually agent skill. Okay, agent skill is nothing but a instruction or rule that you specify the AI before making when you're making the workflow. Okay, to get a consistent output. Okay, this is actually called agent skill. So if you like this particular video, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any query, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get more this kind of video. Thank you guys.